Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, Hacking the Sony PlayStation Mini Part 3. Today I'm going to show you Method 2 of adding retro games through RetroArch. This method is faster than Method 1. Let's get started. With your hard drive plugged into your computer, go into your ROMs folder, make sure your ROMs are there. We're going to use PSP ROMs as the example. And in particular, I'm going to pick a random game here. Let's go with this Where Is My Heart game. And I'm going to show you that it works after we use this method. The first thing you want to do is download RetroArch to your computer. There's a link in the description below on where to download it. Open up RetroArch on your computer, scroll over to Scan Directory, just like you did on the PlayStation in video 1. Find where your hard drive is. Mine is drive F. Go into ROMs. Here are all my ROM folders. I'm going to pick the PSP one in particular, and I'm going to scan this directory. As you can see, it's moving along quite quick. I'm not fast forwarding anything. It should zoom through this much quicker than doing it on your PlayStation connected to a TV. I have skipped ahead a little bit here in the video, and it took about 10 minutes in total. Not too bad at all. So now that we've done that, we have a few things that we need to change. Find the directory where RetroArch is on your computer, and once you've found it, go into the playlists. As you can see, I have a Sony PlayStation Portable playlist here. What I want to do is make sure that my external hard drive is plugged into my computer. Go into RetroArch, go into playlists, and then drag and drop the PlayStation Portable playlist into it and replace the existing one if there's one in there. Now we need to edit this with a program called Notepad++, link in the description below. So I'm going to go to Search, Replace, and I want to replace both of these backslashes with a /, all of them, replace all. The next thing I want to do is tell it where to find the proper directory. So I want to replace F: with / media. Replace all. You can close that and make sure you hit save. You can close Notepad++, and let's head over to the PlayStation. Back at the PlayStation, I'm going to press Start to go into Auto Bleem. Once in here, press Select. Once on this menu with the RetroArch, press Select and L2 at the same time. It will bring you to a menu that shows you all of the systems where you have retro games, and I want to find the Sony PlayStation Portable ones. I'll press X, and let's find that game, Where Is My Heart, and see if it loads up. There it is. Let's press X to get into it. RetroArch is loading. And there it is. So that is method 2 on how to add retro games to the PlayStation Classic. Watch my next video for method 3, which is even faster than method 2. Thanks for watching.